Bushfires, or also known as wildfires, are fires that burn through areas of bushland. These fires are unpredictable and difficult to control. Common in areas that experience hot and dry weather or temperature are countries such as Australia, Greece, Africa, and also California. Bushfires are a frequent event that happens during the hotter days or hotter months in certain countries around the world.
Do you know one of the factors that makes the fire rapidly spread is the eucalyptus tree? Strips of bark that hang off the trunk and the branches of the eucalyptus tree can ignite and carry a fire up the tree and can spread to the forest. When the barks ignite, it can be blown to a great distance, which is 18 miles ahead of the main fire and very difficult to suppress. Moreover, the tree sheds bark and dead leaves, which make a perfect pile of tinder under the tree, which tends to readily catch fire. Some eucalyptus trees also contain oils that can vaporize in the heat. That gas is extremely flammable and lead to bushfire.
Bushfires cause tragic effects on animals in a region through injury, loss of habitat, and it will lead to extinction. The food web is significantly damaged and may take years to recover. Those animals will escape to a safer place as they are unable to return until food becomes available again. Also, bushfire have terrible effects on plants. It will burn and damage vegetation communities such as rainforests that take hundreds of years to recover. For instance, Australian bushfires have affected 272 plant species, with 22 of those listed as critically endangered. For 47 plant species, the bushfires have damaged at least 80% of their habitat.
So, one of the effects of bushfire is it will reduce the quality of water. After bushfire, rainfall can flush vast quantities of ash, sediments, nutrients, or dead animals into streams, rivers, and reservoirs that will deliver the water to various stakeholders. Not only that, when vegetation burns, the excess phosphorus and nitrogen can produce algae blooms and cyanobacteria in the bodies of water. Cyanobacteria or blue-green algae can make water smell terrible, and they can also produce toxins such as microcystin. Due to this problem, drinking water utilities face a considerable challenge to develop plans and strategies for treating polluted water.
Okay, so now we will take a look at the impact that bushfire has on soil and vegetation. The loss of plants and organic material after the fire means that water runoff after rainfall move faster across the landscape, potentially causing erosion and the loss of valuable topsoil. Plants and organic matter burns with intense heat and they are reduced to ashes. In turn, this loses the soil and leads to significantly reduces the stability of the landscape as the whole. The loss of vegetation will create a high risk of erosion and the combustion of pasture material.